Hello, my name is Dave Manning, and today I'd like to tell you about information builders, developers of business intelligence applications headquartered above Madison Square Garden in Midtown Manhattan, New York City. Founded in 1975 by Gerald D. Cohen, Peter Middleman, and Martin B. Slagowitz, they are the only major business intelligence vendor that remains privately owned. Today, the company has a worldwide presence with 47 sales offices, 26 national distributors and agents, more than 1,600 employees worldwide, revenue more than $315 million, and double-digit growth in software license revenue. Innovators and pioneers from the beginning, their first product was one of the original fourth generation language, or 4GL, database systems called Focus. Today they offer a number of products. The web-focused business intelligence platform delivers interactive information to the widest range of employees, analysts, and customers. The performance management framework is a platform that enables operational performance management across an entire business, described in their sales material as a fully integrated, out-of-the-box solution packed with pre-developed content that accelerates deployment and minimizes development time. The iWay 7 Information Asset Management Platform enables rapid access to data across all systems, processes, and stakeholders. It is composed of 3 software suites focusing on data integration, data cleansing, and a master suite to control data across multiple domains. Earlier this year, they launched cloud hosting services designed to deploy these products with the flexible delivery and reduced costs afforded by a global cloud platform. As I mentioned, the founders were pioneers of the earliest days of 4GL programming languages, involved in the development of Ramus, the first of the fourth generation languages, while working for Mathematica in 1970. To make programming more accessible to general users, 4GL languages were designed to be closer to human language than typical high-level programming. For example, a typical 4GL command is find all records where name is Smith. They were mainly targeted for database queries, data manipulation, report generation, web development, and GUI creation. After leaving Mathematica, Mr. Cohen recreated the product he built as Focus. In 1975, Information Builders was born. The primary customers of early 4GL database programs were commercial time-sharing companies built for the mainframe environment that became obsolete with the advent of personal computers. Focus managed to survive, but never quite reached the same degree of mainstream adoption as its main competitor, SAS, perhaps because it had only basic analytical and statistical functions and lacked the specialized tools which made SAS the standard for pharmaceutical clinical trials. Instead, Focus concentrated on flexibility in data import and export, as well as end-user reporting. Again, the goal was to make the language easier for non-programmers to understand. Accessibility was the idea behind adapting Focus to the Internet revolution in 1997 with the introduction of WebFocus, allowing users to customize reporting and graphs for delivery on any web browser. Much of the functionality was rewritten to support HTML5 and mobile faves, giving users the ability to deploy specific content, such as reports and dashboards, to mobile devices. Information Builders has also developed translators to automatically upgrade legacy 4GL databases with WebFocus. The new web languages and apps increase the ease of use and availability of crucial data throughout the organization. Let's take a look at a few of these tools in action. A financial services report breaking down loan default statistics gives users the ability to modify the charting options, slice and dice the various variables, and even dive into a pivot table. Here we have current inventory and sales reports for an electronics retailer at the fingertips of managers via their mobile phones. A tablet dashboard for the gaming industry breaks down coin play by geography, gender, and proprietary player data categories. This tablet app allows for parsing call center ticket response data and also generates drill down reports that can be emailed, ported to PowerPoint, or saved as a PDF. These are just some of the features that demonstrate CEO Jerry Cohen's continuing commitment to breaking down the barriers between the programmers and the analysts who collect this data and the frontline decision makers who need it. This mission was advanced again with the introduction of the Performance Management Framework, a suite of software making it easier than ever for companies to design customized dashboards and scorecards deployable on their choice of SQL, Oracle, or DB2 database servers. PMS ships with dozens of pre-built tools, allowing customers to roll out polished-looking performance management applications without the configuration or setup work that would be required if they built it themselves. The challenge of making sense of and benefiting from this deluge of unstructured or semi-structured data swamping the modern enterprise is the reason behind the iWay Information Asset Management Platform. The three suites that comprise the iWay platform, integration, data quality, and master management, provide the tools and capabilities to address the organization's need for optimization of their most vital data assets. The latest challenge for business intelligence gathering particularly for the sales department, is the proliferation of social media channels. In many ways, social networks have revolutionized sales transactions the same way the PC revolutionized data. iWay has responded with the development of CEP, complex event processing tools, that allow organizations to monitor the happenings on social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter feeds, and Salesforce chatter. When it detects something that resembles an important business event, it can be set up to respond in an appropriate way, sending an email, generating a dashboard, or even an automated Twitter response. The other hot business buzzword of late has been, of course, cloud computing. Never once to be left behind, Information Builders announced in May of this year their cloud hosting services. The global platform as a service includes more than 10 data centers spanning every geographic region, enabling customers worldwide to combine the benefits of the company's customizable, scalable solutions with the flexibility afforded by cloud delivery models, according to the press release. Under the cloud model, businesses can build their own BI content and make it available to an unlimited number of users from any operating system or mobile device without adding any additional IT resources. Jerry Cohen and Information Builders have been in the forefront of business intelligence and data sharing technology for almost 4 decades and have seen the industry revolutionized again and again. But studies show the story is still far from over. Customers and end users still voice a desire for easy-to-use and understandable BI tools, and research shows that the distribution of BI throughout the organization remains concentrated in the executive suites or management conference rooms when it is vital to the frontline employees and the customers and partners they serve. I'm sure this will remain the focus and mission of Information Builders, Mr. Cohen, and the rest of the business intelligence industry for future decades to come. I hope you've enjoyed this little allegory of commerce and communication, as well as learning a few things about the wonderful world of data. Thanks for your time. Bye.